अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू नॉलेज टीवी। आज हम 2020 पाकिस्तान अफेयर्स सीएसएस के एमसीक्यूज पार्ट को डिस्कस करेंगे। इससे पहले 2021 के एमसीक्यूज फॉर पाकिस्तान अफेयर के पेपर को हमने अपलोड किया है, आप देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज है, शेख अहमद सरहिंदी मुजद्दिद अल-अफसानी वाज बोर्न ऑन 26 June 1564. Second MCQ is here. The withdrawal of Soviet military forces from Afghanistan began on May 15, 1988. इसके कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको देते हैं। On April 14, 1988, in Geneva, representation of the government of Pakistan and Afghanistan signed 3 bilateral agreements intended to end the war in Afghanistan and additional declaration on international guarantee was signed by the United States and Soviet Union as state guarantors. Secretary of State George Shultz and Soviet Foreign Minister Edward Shevardnadze also signed one of the 3 bilateral agreements on which list. These documents, correctly known as the Geneva Accord, have been held as the key to Soviet withdrawal from Afghanistan and settlement of the conflict, which has held the world's spotlight since the invasion of December 1979. They have been condemned by the critics as a betrayal of the Afghan people in their 10-year struggle against communist domination. The CAT came into force on May 15, 1988, the date specified for the beginning of withdrawal of the Soviet troops. The third number is accused है which Mughal emperor proclaimed Din Ilahi or divine faith. तो ये थे अकबर। Din Ilahi was a system of religious belief introduced by the Mughal emperor Akbar in 1582. His idea was to combine Islam and Hinduism into one faith, but also to add aspects of Christianity, Zoroastrianism, and Jainism. Fourth number MCQs है causes of Indian revolt written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. It was written in it is written about 1857 revolt. Keep it in mind. Five number MCQs है Darul Uloom Deoband was founded in 31 May 1866. Six number MCQs है what is the total length of Pakistan coastal area in miles? तो ये है 990 यानी 990 किलोमीटर। अच्छा, 7 number MCQs है Pakistan became a full member of Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO on 9 June 2013. Explanation देते हैं Pakistan on June 9, 2017 became a full member of Shanghai Cooperation SCO during the 17th meeting of the heads of the State Councils Summit here in Astana. Founded in 2001, the SCO is comprised of 6 member states, mainly focusing on military cooperation between members, which involve intelligence sharing, counter-terrorism operation in Central Asia. 8 number MCQ है Pakistan conducted nuclear tests on May 28, 1998. It was conducted in the Chai district in the arena Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. 9 number MCQ है who is the current ambassador of Pakistan to the United States? तो ये है असद मजीद Khan, D number option. 10 number MCQ है Operation Zarb-e-Azab was launched on June 15, 2014. Pakistan was to host the 19th SAARC summit in November 2016. ये 2016 में हुआ था। 19th SAARC summit was cancelled after Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi refused to travel to Pakistan and New Delhi leaned on other SAARC members to boycott the summit. 12 number MCQ है पाकिस्तान and Qatar signed a long-term liquefied natural gas LNG supply agreement on February 10, 2016. 13 number MCQ है the term 2611 is related to which of the following terrorist attacks in the history of terrorist attack. तो ये है 2008 Mumbai attack. 14 number MCQ है when Indian presidential decree was issued revoked Article 370 of Indian Constitution. तो ये है 5 अगस्त 2019 जो कश्मीर की जो खसूसी पार्ट थी वो उसको क्या किया था रिवोक किया है इंडिया. अच्छा 15 नंबर MCQ है the GDP growth rate for the financial year 2018 was recorded as C number 2.9. Explanation that the Pakistan GDP growth rate remained 5.2% during the fiscal year 2018, which will slow down to 2.9% at the end of current fiscal year, claimed that IMF in the latest World Economic Outlook 2019. 16 number MCQ है 18 amendment became part of the Constitution of Pakistan on April 21, 2010. 17 number MCQ है in Pakistan what is the percentage of the population lives below the national poverty line. तो ये है 24%. 18 number MCQ है through which constitution amendment FATA were merged with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. तो ये 25th constitution amendment. 19 number MCQ है which article according to the 18th Constitution Amendment declare education free and compulsory for all children at the age of 5 to 16. This is Article 35A. Number MCQs है what was the rank in the World Health Organization ranking of the World Health System out of 190 countries. What is the rank of Pakistan? तो ये है 122. According to recent report published by the World Health WHO, Pakistan ranked 122 globally in terms of quality and related to healthcare system, much behind even of some of the poorest developed countries such as Lithuania, Libya, Fiji, Iraq, and Tango. Inshallah, 2019 पाकिस्तान Ppsc के पेपर हम इसके बाद अपलोड कर देंगे. Kindly